Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your email list from scratch. I've been building my email list since 2013 and I actually started building a brand new email list last October. So I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint of how I got my first 1,000 subscribers. If you're building your business using only social media, you're putting your business at huge risk. We've seen several days this year where both Facebook, Instagram, and multiple other services, I think there have been YouTube outages, Google outages, and if you're only using those methods to build your business, you're basically like building your house on rented sand, and it can sink, and it can sink really quickly. We are not guaranteed to be able to use social media for free or forever. You never know. Any of them could disappear at any time. However, your email list is an actual asset that you own and you can control. So it's very important to build your business, and that's why you've been seeing a lot more talk about building your email list. I think the way that I build my list is a little bit unique, and so I want to share that with you today because I think it's something that anyone can do, especially someone who's just getting started out can do, and they can do very quickly and very easily. If you are a coach, author, online expert, service provider, you work in e-commerce, and you are just now getting started building your email list, you definitely want to watch this video because this video is specifically for you. The number one way and the most important piece that you need to have in place in order to start building your email list and building it fast is to have the attention of your potential subscriber, client, avatar, whatever you want to call them. And how you get that attention is with a very juicy freebie. Other people call it your opt-in or your lead magnet, but you want something that is of value to them. So basically, you need to get out there and really figure out what is a problem that you can solve and make it a really good, viable piece of content that your ideal client is going to be willing to not only subscribe, but continue to get emails from you because it is such good content. They should look at that and feel like, oh my God, I can't believe she or he is giving me this for free. My example of this is my free engagement guide that shares with you the 8 tips to become a social media rock star so you can stop posting to crickets. There are lots of different types of opt-ins that you can put together. You have to take a look at what is the problem that you're solving, your ideal client, and decide on which one is best for you. Most people are very familiar with the free PDF download, so either a guide or a checklist. There is also the audio file, so an MP4, is that what they're called these days, where you can actually listen to some training, and another is the video training. So like my Captions That Convert was a video training that I sent out for free. That landing page is going to have a button that allows people to submit either just their email or their email and a first name. I actually like to collect both first name and the email, and the reason why is because studies show that when you only ask for the email, while you do get a higher opt-in rate, your emails may not be read because they're not personalized. And the whole goal of collecting the emails is for people to be able to read your emails and see your content, and you to be able to direct traffic to your website, to your social media, wherever you want it to go. And you can't do that if the emails aren't being read. So that's why I like to collect the email and the first name, because the first name allows me to personalize the subject line as well as the greeting and use the first name throughout the email, so it really feels like we're having a conversation and they're speaking to a friend and someone who knows them versus an unpersonalized email. But it's up to you to decide, would you rather get a bunch of people on your list who probably aren't going to open your emails, or would you rather have a little bit fewer people on your list and be able to get those emails opened and read so that all your wonderful emails are now being read and consumed and you're building relationship? Now, one thing that you're definitely going to want to invest on their preferences. That's another piece of personalization. Personalization is one of the key trends in email marketing this year and going forward, and it's a great way to get higher than normal open rates. My email open rate right now is about double what the industry standard or industry average is, and how I achieve that is through everything that I've shared with you. We've created your freebie. We've started collecting emails using email marketing software. But now we need to promote this freebie in order to be able to grow your list. So we've got to distribute and get word out on the street that you have this amazing freebie. And the best way to do that is to go where your ideal client is hanging out. So how I do this, there are a lot of different ways that it can be done. Your website is prime real estate for your freebie to be promoted and be distributed. So in the banner or the footer of your website is a great space for promoting and distributing your freebie. Also within your blog and the blog posts, you should also have your freebie offer listed within there. And I like to do that instead of actually having Google Ads, because I'm more concerned with the longevity of my business, and how I do that is by not suffering from lead poverty and having a constant stream of leads, because I'm driving traffic to that content that's of value in solving problems, and the freebie is directly linked to the type of content that I'm posting. So if I'm posting on the blog about Facebook marketing, I'm going to have a Facebook related freebie in line with that content. Another way is through YouTube. This is something that's new to me, and I will keep you up to date on my progress, is offering my freebies through YouTube and growing my list by also growing my YouTube audience. Instagram is how I killed it between 2015 and 2018 by having not only the link in the bio of my Instagram as the live link, but also, again, as I'm sharing different content on Instagram, having a call to action to go to the link in bio and to then opt in and get the freebie. I love to also do calls to action on live stream videos, both on Facebook and YouTube, that say, again, for more information or feel free to take this quiz, is part of the call to actions for that live stream video. Something very new to me, and I've had a lot of success with this year on Facebook in particular, is the watch party. So I will go back to some of my top performing videos, either live stream or upload, and start a watch party. And the watch party description is basically a little blurb that I have a keyboard shortcut set up for on my iPhone, and it has the link, and then again I copy and paste that into a pinned comment within the watch party. You can also start watch parties in relevant groups. It's really important, and I'm putting the disclaimer, make sure you read the group's terms and conditions and follow their rules. And if they allow you to do watch parties and you're providing value, you should not have any problem doing the watch parties inside of groups as well to grow your list. And remember to pin that comment. Lastly, you can also use your Facebook business page and constantly, again, be promoting content that is of value and solves problems. And within that content, you can have a call to action for your freebie. You can also have a live button under the cover photo or video of your Facebook business page to also grow your list that way. And you can, of course, run ads on YouTube. You can run them on Facebook as well. If you follow what I've shared for you as far as distributing, and you set up your daily method of operation, and you make sure that you are collecting leads every day, you will hit your first 1,000 subscribers before you know it. Now, you're just getting started with email marketing. There's so much more to this. We also need to get your follow-up set up, because, hello, you don't want to build your email list and only send them one email. So we're going to, in the next video, go through automating your follow-up, because most people suck at follow-up, including me. If it weren't for automation, customers and my list would never hear from me. So I'm going to show you my process for putting your follow-up on autopilot. Until that video is up, you can check out these other videos over here. I talk a lot about in my videos social media marketing, email marketing, and entrepreneurship in general. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification so you are notified when that next email goes live. Thanks for watching. I'll chat with you soon.